warm welcome. You're watching Decoding Now, and I'm Meghna Rekha. Well, you know, something has gone very wrong when you need the Indian Air Force to save your exam paper, to deliver the question sheets, for an airlifting exercise by the forces to be executed, to ensure that it doesn't get leaked. Well, that is exactly where we are tonight. The CRPF, the CISF, they are going to be escorting the question papers for the NEET retest. The Air Force is flying them from city to city. 4 layers of CCTV with AI are going to be watching every hall, every student. In fact, students are being biometrically scanned before they sit down. There is going to be more security than in an airport. Telegram, the app, has been banned. All of this for a medical entrance exam. NEET retest is now operating inside a national security framework with military-grade security for it. Remember, 3rd of May, 22 lakh students walked in, wrote the exam, walked out 8 days later. They were told it doesn't count, that the paper has been leaked, and because of the NEET cheats, they have to redo that entire test again. The retest is now slated for the 21st of June, and this time the government is taking no chances. The Air Force has been called in. Literally, when you joke about things like the army being called in, yes, the forces have been called in. The Air Force is going to be flying the question papers. Just count the agencies that are now going to be part of delivering a question paper in this country. The Z plus security cover. You have the Air Force, which has been deployed for it. There are helicopters of the Indian Air Force which are going to be carrying these questionnaires. CRPF, and not just the CRPF, you have the CISF. Their job is going to be escorting these question papers lest they get stolen midway. You have the MHA, the Home Ministry, which has been fully activated through its agencies. The Defense Ministry is also involved in ensuring that this time around the question paper doesn't get stolen. So what does the 21st of June preparation really look like on the ground? You're not going to believe this. Let's explain. You have the IAF, which is going to take charge. The question papers are going to be airlifted by the Indian Air Force. There are going to be helicopter deliveries which are going to be made of these question papers. Air deliveries are going to be across 34 locations across India. That's what the forces, the Indian Air Force, is going to be doing. But once it reaches these 34 locations, from the tarmac to the to the exam center, how does it go? The CRPF has been deployed for that. They're going to be guarding the question paper. The CISF has also been deployed. They are going to ensure that from the airport to the entire passage, all the way across to the exam center, no one steals it on the way. The CAPF are going to be in the aircraft as well, just in case. In fact, to guard the papers in the aircraft, that's going to be a life and death situation for our armed forces now. A bank vault lockdown has been put in place. The papers are going to be kept in strong rooms. Yes, just like EVMs. Question papers in strong rooms. OMR sheets are going to be under guard as well. From the exam to the evaluation center, all the way across, they are going to be guarded like state secrets. And the government didn't just secure the physical route, it went after the digital one as well. And what do? Well, the government has announced that Telegram, that app, yes, you heard it right, Telegram, that app has been restricted under Section 69A of the IT Act, and the same law used to block content that threatens public order. We are going to be coming back to that. But for the time being, we are going to shift focus across to France. I have the visuals of Prime Minister Modi there with the French president. In fact, those are the live visuals coming in from the G7. And this is going to be the reshaping of a new global order. Prime Minister Modi there has been warmly greeted by Emmanuel Macron. Leader after leader have been coming in. And G7 this year is going to be very special for India because this is where India's presence is going to be noted.